Hello, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things and I'm super glad to see you here today. Today I have a box that I've only gotten once before and I was looking to add a little zhuzh to the channel, a little something different. And so I decided to get the pink box delivery again. And this is a lifestyle box and it has just a wide range of things in it. Like I said, I haven't gotten it in probably over a year. And I was like, this box was fun. Let's see what they are doing right now. So I'm going to open the box and see what we have. There's usually a theme. A lot of boxes have themes. And it's in this very cool, cats are running around like crazy, a very cool pink bag, which I'm having trouble getting rid of. Alrighty, here we go. Half the video is me unboxing the box. To unbox. And it says, thank you. I can't wait to see what's inside. Alright. And this is a nice big box. Seems pretty sturdy. And this is like a $38 or $9 box plus shipping. So it's like 40 something total. And this is a sheet that tells us what's in here and the value. And it says, oh Shell, yeah, let's go to the beach, April box. So this is going to be beach themed. And it says, shake off the winter doldrums and start thinking about the days in the sunshine. Whether you're headed to the beach soon or the pool with the kiddos, April May box has some fabulous packable, wearable things for a fun Sunday before, during, and after your fun in the sun. And then it tells me what everything is and the price. So I will go over that with you as we go through the box. Oh, the first thing I see is just adorable. These are bokeh clips. Keep your towel in place. So you use this to clip your towel to a chair, which is very cute, or you can use them as chip bag clips for like big bags like cat food or dog food. And this is, let's see, hate having your towel slip down the back of your pool chair? Well, these adorable clips snugly grip your towel and keep it in place while you relax and soak up the sun. $10. Very cool. And then in a little black and white bag that says thank you. We have some really cool looking earrings. Those are cool. And then we have a necklace that's like a leaf, like one of those cool big elephant ear leaves. And I think this is to replace the sold out shell earrings. And it doesn't say, but this is $28 plus for value, which is very nice. And these will make great gifts. A lot of times in these boxes, there's stuff that I personally won't use because I have gauged ears, so I can't use the earrings, and I'm sensitive to different metals, so I can't use the necklace, but I know exactly who's going to get them in a birthday present very soon. And then there's just so much more. There's more stuff in here. Let's see. You've got a coconut water, argan oil, hydrating hair mask, which is nice. And let's see. The sun can be so damaging to your hair. Restore it with Spa Life coconut water and argan oil hydrating hair mask to replace moisture lost from the UV rays. $5. Very cool. Then we have from Face Story, Sun Bay Soothing Mask. And this is Treat Your Face to a Relaxing Soothing Face Mask, the Ultimate Sun Bay by Face Story. Using a rayon sheet material and the best ingredients to soothe your skin, you get your skin restored on a sunny outdoor day. $5. Oh. And then we've got a little snickerdoodle. Oh, that's sweet. I love snickerdoodles, but I don't know that I will eat it because it has a lot of calories, and you know, I'm on the bariatric diet. 120 calories for this cookie, so I'll be giving this to my husband. And then this is Nourish Your Lips with Maui Soap Company's Comforting Lip Balm, enriched with moisturizing coconut oil and soothing vitamin E, 15 SPF 15, $5. I'm glad they're not marking up some of these things with like exorbitant prices, because sometimes people do that. Uh-oh, this is very exciting. And this is Towel to Go. And let's see. It is a beach towel. And this is super compact, quick drying, super absorbent. I'm not going to undo it because I don't need a beach towel just yet. And it looks very cute pattern and colors. Let me make sure. It just says Towel to Go. Sandless beach towel. Thirsty threads drink up water yet in no time. Towel to Go is compact, quick drying companion, perfect for the pool, beach, or everyday bathing. At the beach, simply shake it and the sand falls off, so no more sand in your bag or car. 70 4/5 of an inch long by 39 1/3 inch, and it is $42 value. Nice beach towels can definitely get up there in value. And then, last but not least, this is a modern, functional, and ready-to-wear poncho that can go over a swimsuit or a cami with jeans for an easy beachside look. Various colors, and this seems to be black and gray. Oh, see, it's a little poncho. Look how cute that is. Be nice if I held it up the right way. That's super cute. A poncho. And this is a modern, functional, ready-to-wear poncho that can go over swimsuit. I just said that. $32. So this is great. So we got a poncho, a beach towel, the towel clips, we've got the face mask, the hair mask, the lip balm, we've got an earring and earrings and necklace, and a snickerdoodle for $38. And I think this is a great value and a great box. I might get them again in the near future, but a lot of this is going to end up being gifts, because I don't go to the beach, but I am planning on going to the pool and doing some pool walking this year. So this lightweight towel will be a great addition. So let's total up the value of this box. Let's see, so 32 and 42 and 15 plus 28. $117 value for $38. And there's going to be a lot of good gifts out of this box, so I'm very excited to have it. And it's something new to the channel, a little different from the usual beaten path of makeup subscriptions. I hope you've enjoyed it. Let me know what you think about this box and if you'd like to see it again. Have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon. Bye.